In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot with Microsoft Power BI. We're keeping this simple and focused so you can get up and running quickly. By the end, you'll have a live connection from HubSpot into Power BI, ready for analysis and reporting. This is perfect if you want to centralize your marketing and sales data, build dashboards, or share performance insights with your team. First, open Power BI Desktop and look at the Home tab along the top. Click on Get Data. This is your entry point to all available data sources in Power BI. If a quick window pops up with popular choices, you can still select more to see the full list of connectors. The idea here is to tell Power BI exactly where your HubSpot data lives, and the connector will handle the rest. Next, in the search bar of the Get Data window, type HubSpot. You'll see the HubSpot connector appear in the results. Select it, then continue. Using the built-in connector is important because it manages the connection in a secure, supported way, and it understands the structure of HubSpot data. If you don't see it, make sure your Power BI desktop is up to date, since new connectors are added and improved over time. Now, you'll be prompted to enter the URL for your HubSpot data. Paste the URL your organization uses for the HubSpot connection. This may be your HubSpot portal address, or a specific data URL your administrator has provided. If you're unsure, check your internal documentation or ask your HubSpot admin so you use the correct address. A precise URL helps Power BI locate the right account and datasets without confusion. After that, enter your credentials. Sign in with your HubSpot account when prompted and follow the on-screen authentication steps. Use the same method your organization requires, such as your company login. If you're asked about privacy levels or permissions, choose the options that match your organization's policy so the connection remains secure and compliant. And there you go. Once authenticated, Power BI will establish the connection and you'll be ready to explore your HubSpot data. From here, you can build visuals, create reports, and share insights. If something doesn't load, double-check the URL, confirm your HubSpot access, and ensure you're on the latest Power BI desktop version. Also, if your organization uses strict network rules, you might need to allow the connector through your security settings. That's all? You've connected HubSpot to Power BI in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy turning your HubSpot data into clear, actionable dashboards.